Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in and checking out my channel. Today's video is a clean and decorate with me. I'll be doing some light decorating in this room. As you can see, this room is my son's room and I'm going to be changing this room into a unisex room. So what I'm going to do is to start off by maneuvering the room around and making it suitable for two beds. So you're going to see me move this bed around, and then you're going to see that my daughter's bed is going to be in here also. My daughter does not have a room right now. The third room was supposed to be her room, but she's very small and she's been sleeping in the bed with her mommy and daddy since a baby. Yes, it's so embarrassing, but she's 4 years old and she refused to sleep in a room by herself. So we decided to start her off with sleeping with her brother. We hope that this does not be, permanent. This is going to be just temporary for now, just so that when we put her in her bed and if she wake up in the middle of the night, she knows that she's not in a room by herself. So we want to kind of get her used to sleeping in her own bed first, and then we'll probably switch it around to where she have the third bedroom and have her own room. So yeah, so you're gonna see me change the sheets off of my son's bed, and I will be putting a temporary bedding on here, a gray bedding. He has a comforter that is coming in the mail from Amazon, and his comforter is gonna kind of coordinate with my daughter's comforter. Her comforter has blue, pink, and purple in it, and white. So his comforter is gonna be like a bluish color comforter with like a gaming on it and stuff. So he picked it out and he wanted that. So this little bedding right here is just temporary. Yeah guys, so just stick around and stay tuned, and you're gonna see me kind of switch the room up and turn it into a unisex room. So now I'm going to kind of like sprucing up this space by changing out the curtains, because obviously it does not match. So I'm just adding some white sheer curtains for now. So whenever my son's bedding come in, I told them that I was going to take them to the at-home store and let them pick out maybe like a picture that can go above their beds to personalize their little areas in the room. So that made them very happy, guys. So in the next video, you'll probably see me do that. So let's just give you guys this video scripture, and it comes from Deuteronomy 31:6, and it says, "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. And that is from Deuteronomy 31:6. So we have reached the end of the video, you guys. This is the after of me transforming this room into a unisex bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a short one, but it was a sweet one. This is my baby's room, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a marvelous, wonderful, and blessed day. Okay, bye.